Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Apps Academy. Today we are back with another Plex tutorial and we are learning how to find watch history in Plex. Plex keeps a history of your watched movies, TV shows, and episodes you can quickly resume, check what you've seen, or track your viewing habits. So in order to do that, the first thing to do is to open the Plex application on your device and log in. From the home screen of Plex, go to the top right corner and tap on your name, initial, or your profile icon. From the expanded menu that appears on the screen, select Profile. Under Profile, you'll see your Watch History tab. If you click on that, you'll be able to see all of the watch histories you've made. You can scroll through to see what you've watched. Tap on the previously watched item to resume the playback from where you've left off. So that is how you find your watch history in Plex and resume or track what you've watched. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.